What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about CPA training tutorials, super free traffic methods, promoting your offer, getting some leads with Bweeble, guys.
Are you ready? One.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy CJ here. Today I'm going to give y'all some value, some nuggets on a site that I just came across called Bweeble.com. It is a super easy site that you can go join right now and begin promoting and marketing your CPA offers. Pretty much when you join, they give you 2,480 emails you can send out right now to real people. They have a large list that they'll send out whatever your offer or niche is to these people, man. It's really valuable. It's really free. It's a free way to get some free organic traffic without you having to put in too much work, guys. And it's easy. You create an account, and when you create an account, they're going to give you 2,480 emails that you can send out at once. Quick, fast, and easy. And kind of what you do is you send an email. You click send email. I sent one out yesterday morning, and I'll show y'all in real time that it's a legit site. It works, and you can begin marketing using this right now. So like I said, my balance will go back up in 3 days and stuff. I sent out yesterday, so I need to wait 2 days, 10 hours, and 32 minutes before I can send another email out. But when I sent that email out, and I used my affiliate link, which is craniumbuzz.com/hookup. I typed in the subject, wanna chat, simple email, and then I put blah 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 blah, and I used their coding, right? And so if I come to my message history tracking, it's gonna show you that see, I said wanna hang. It sent out June 5th 2018. Of the emails that were sent, it was 2,480, and so far 20 people have clicked on it so far. Really simple, really easy. Pick an offer, send the traffic. Alright, so when I pull up my message preview, it says, "Hey Cordero, my name is Kim. I am new here looking to network and chat. Let's talk. Click here to earn credits." And then here's my Bweeble earning credit, and here is some extra stuff that goes in there that's has to do with their newsletter. But when they click on the newsletter, it redirects them to my link, and I'm going to show you in my PureFly account that, okay, here's the link that I use, craniumbuzz.com/hookup. Here's the date, 06/2018. Here's the time, and let's refresh it. Search, click data. All right, now after we've refreshed the category, we're going to come back down, and it'll show you. Here's the link right here, guys. Here's my my link that I have, craniumbuzz.com/hookups. Here's the IP address of the person that clicked on the link, what country they came from, and here's how long it took them, what time they clicked on my link, which was 2 hours and 17 minutes ago. So as you see, this is very powerful. This is very easy. It's real people, real leads clicking on your links, going to your offers right now, guys. I hope you found this content valuable. If you're a new member and just watching this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification for more great value and content and gold nuggets. If you're one of my affiliates and you already know, drop Smart Grind in the comment box below if you get what I'm saying. If you have any questions or you're confused about what I just did, please drop a comment and ask me questions. And also make sure you please like this video, guys. I see too many people watching my videos and too many of my subscribers. I have over 227 subscribers, and each one of these videos should have a like by each of y'all. So if you're not liking these videos, drop in the smart grind comment, then you really ain't messing with me in the first place, guys. But the link will be in the description for the Bweeble website, guys. This is your boy CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we talked about CPA marketing tutorials, super free traffic methods, promoting your offer, getting some leads with Bweeble. I'm out, y'all.
Are you ready? One.